Hello, it is Laurel. I was working on getting my seeds ready to go. I don't have a greenhouse and I also don't have a climate that allows me to plant stuff very early. So I'm working on creating some mini greenhouses. So in this video, I'll show the process of getting these ready. I just asked some of my coworkers if they had containers they could bring in, and lo and behold, they brought me about a dozen. So I'm prepping 6 or 7 today, and I will get soil into these and get these ready to go. I just measured up and used a little bit of permanent marker to mark the level I wanted to cut at. I had a tape measure, and I went to about 4 inches for the depth. So I want to have enough soil depth for the seeds to grow really strong roots. The other tools I used, I had a box cutter and then an awl. This I used for bookmaking, but it worked really well to poke some holes into the bottoms of these. I think it's about 8 holes per, just spread out across the bottom here. Bring that up so you guys can see it. And they just have to let out excess moisture. The soil will be watered. I'll kind of incorporate the water with it and get it to the right texture. So it should be kind of like when you're making compost. You want to have the soil something that you can mush into a ball and have it somewhat hold its shape but crumble a little bit, and perhaps be able to squeeze out a little, like, drop or 2 of water, but not soggy. Once I get to that level of moisture, I'll be right where I want for my seeds, and I'll follow directions, but I'll soak most of the seeds for a few hours before they go into this mixture. Once they go into here, I'm going to tape the outside, so this line I will tape shut, and then I'll label the tape with what seed is in here. The caps are removed, so any rain that we get or snow will fall into here. This is going to act as a mini greenhouse, so it will heat up quicker than the environment outside. So it should allow my seeds to get going, but it should also mean that I don't have to go through a hardening off process. I've heard of other people this far north using this successfully, so I'm going to give it a try and see what happens. I've got my plan right here. I have my list. I ordered seeds I have peas, so that'll be an early start, and transplant because they like cooler weather. Bok choy, squash, I've got 3 varieties that I'm going to use. Apologize, my cat is helping right now, as you can probably see here. He must inspect everything. Gotta love kitties. Whoops. Basil, and then strawberries. So I've got strawberry seeds that are in the refrigerator so that they get a cold period just for a couple days. And then they'll get more of a cold period in here because it will be cold for a while. But I'm going to be testing those out from seed. And if it goes well, awesome. I'll have stuff to transplant. If it doesn't go well, I should have time to make it to a garden center and get at least some of this. So I'm also doing potatoes, but I will have organic potatoes from the co-op. I will let those develop eyes and start growing from that. And I might grab a couple specialty varieties just to experiment with, but maybe 1 or 2 to experiment with. Easy project. Once I get my soil in so it can thaw out, I will get that ready to go. And I should be ready to put seeds in certainly by the end of the weekend or into early this week. I will have these ready and they can go out and be in place and ready to go. We'll see how it goes. All right, thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.